Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. It looks like there's a brand new Monster Hunter game in the works. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was last year that Steamforged announced the Monster Hunter World tabletop game. But today they provided some more updates. Now, Steamforged Games have been around for a while. They've made a bunch of video games into tabletop games. For example, Devil May Cry 5, Horizon Zero Dawn, Resident Evil 2, and a Pac-Man card game. The Monster Hunter World board game will be coming to Kickstarter in April of this year. So they shared what the Kickstarter tiers are going to be, what they're going to be priced at, and they also showed what the minis might look like. Something very interesting here though, one of the minis is going to be over a foot tall. I wouldn't really classify that as a mini. The base tier is going to be called the Entry Pledge, and it has 4 XL monsters, 4 hunters, 600 plus cards, a double-sided board, rulebook, and quest book. The second tier is the Core Pledge, and that contains 1 large monster, 7 XL monsters, 1 double XL monster, 8 hunters, 1200 plus cards, 2 double-sided boards, 2 rulebooks, 2 quest books, and all of the unlocks, which we don't know what they are yet. And that's going to be $140. And the third tier is going to be the All-In Pledge, and that contains 1 large monster, 7 XL monsters, 3 double XL monsters, 1 triple XL monster, I'm going to guess that's the 1 foot tall monster, 12 hunters, 1800 plus cards, 2 double-sided boards, 8 rulebooks and quest books, and all of the unlocks, which again, we don't know what they are yet. And that's going to cost $279. In terms of gameplay quality, I have no idea how this board game is going to pan out, what the mechanics are going to be like, or even how anything is going to function. But at the same time here, it's Monster Hunter, so I'm just going to assume it's you and whoever else is playing the game teaming up against a monster or 2 or 7. I checked out Steamforged Games on Kickstarter, and they've had some other successfully kickstarted projects. And that's a really good thing. A couple of other projects they had were Dark Souls and Resident Evil 3. So I'm going to assume Monster Hunter World will probably be successful as well. Now, just a heads up, I did take a look at the comments on these Kickstarter pages, and not all of the comments are very good. There are a lot of people complaining about either not receiving the product or not receiving the full product that they ordered. And that's a bit of a warning sign, and it happened both on the Dark Souls and on the Resident Evil pages. On the Resident Evil page, I did see some comments though with some people who were very happy. Even their Horizon Zero Dawn Kickstarter, which was also successful, had comments of a similar nature. So the very first comment is someone complaining or just wondering where their package is. And then the third comment here is someone praising the game. Now, everything I just went over is pretty much all I know about this game at this point. Steamforged Games has said they are going to be revealing more information in the near future, and I'm really curious to see what they have to say. Overall, I think Monster Hunter World as a board game is incredibly interesting. Admittedly, I am probably more of a fan of Monster Hunter as a video game. But at the same time here, if you're a fan of board games, I can see a lot of people getting excited about this. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know your thoughts on Monster Hunter World, the board game, in the comments below. And let me know whether or not you're interested in the Kickstarter. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.